I got my fishing gear out. So this is going to be my fishing gear for today. This is the bait. So I just lost my third weight. If there's a car meet, well, definitely, because I saw a vintage car as well that went through this road. So I'll see you later, guys. I will be going to places, I will be visiting places, I will show you all of my experience, all of my and that's motherfucking Supra. You can see that, right? That's a Supra. That's the Mark IV Supra. So yeah, that's my favorite car. So now I want to cry because I don't have a Supra, but it's okay. That guy just gave me a look. Inshallah, one day we are going to have our own Supra, and then I'm going to let everyone in the car. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go that side. So I want to see if there are any meetups, because I saw a group of bike and then I saw a group of JDM cars. I can hear the cars now, but look at this Dodge. Isn't it beautiful? Why is this lady running? Okay, she was running backwards. So let's see. That's the MT-09. You're going to see things that you know you usually see in the videos. I like the sound, the exhaust. So we have a horse approaching. Just let me take a photo. So we made a friend. What's his name?
Afrad.
Afrad?
Yeah.
Can I touch him? Hello, Afrad. It's really a nice horse.
Yeah.
What breed is it?
It's Anglican.
But I don't know anything about horse. But I love horses. It's very nice. It's very healthy, huh?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Bro. See? I'm saying things that I love today. I love horses. I think these the horses are the only animals who are like, you know, gentlemen in the animal kingdom. His name is Afrad. So see, that's a Cadillac. I'm getting somewhere. I see a lot of vintage cars. I see a lot of sports bikes. So this one is called the Water Garden. One of my friend, he works over here. I've never been to Water Garden, but I can see a lot of cars over there. So I'll just go over there. Guess what, guys? I think I'm in a car meet. I really think that it's a car meet because I can see a lot of different cars. I can see vintage cars, and I can see some beautiful cars. Let me go to that side. I hope it's open to everyone. I just hope. I think that's a car meet, guys. So we're gonna see a lot of cars today. Instead of fishing, we're just gonna see a lot of cars. No, I should have just fished over here. Next time. Right now I just want to go to the car meet. So I have reached heaven. This is heaven for the car guys. Look at all these cars. We have a Range Rover over here. That's another Range Rover at the back of that. This is a okay, this is a Range Rover. This one's also a Range Rover. I don't know what this is, but it's definitely a manual. It's a Chevrolet, but I don't know what car it is. And that's a Mustang. That's a really beautiful Mustang. I don't think it's manual. It's manual. This is the first Mustang that I've seen, a manual Mustang. So now I'll go to the JDM side. So this is definitely the first car meet that I've been in, and guess what I have in front of me? That's a Nissan GTR. It's a very beautiful car. Let me check if it's a manual. It's right-hand drive and it's a manual. It's a right-hand drive and it's a manual. So after that, I think this is a Cadillac, and that's the Nissan Z350. I think so. This is the Nissan Z350, most probably. Yeah, it's a Z, but I don't know what it's 350 or. This is the Honda Civic, the epic Honda Civic. There's, what's this? I think this is a Honda Civic as well. Type R. This one's a Honda Civic as well. I think these are like groups. This is a beauty. It's a manual as well. Shit. So this one's, I don't know which one is it, but it's a very beautiful car, and it's a manual as well. Guys, and there's another GTR, this Nissan Skyline. So that's carbon fiber, I think so. Yeah, the whole this one's carbon fiber as well. It's a stick as well. This one's a stick as well. I like the rims. The rims are nasty. The engine specialist. This one's the Nissan Silvia. It's a pretty rare car, but it's one of the best JDMs of all time. I like the, the icon of the Silvia. So this is how you will see that it's a Silvia. This is the Nissan Silvia. I'm just gonna take a quick photo. So it seems like this is the JDM section, and here's BMW. But I don't know which one is it. It's not a stick, it's automatic. But I don't know which one this is. This is definitely the Volkswagen GTI. And there's Mr. Bean's car. I just have 12% battery, so I'm gonna make it as fast as possible. So There's vintage over here. There's vintage over here. These are some real beauties. After that, we have the vintage cars over here, the muscle cars. So I don't know which one this is, but I can see that the headlight, it pops up. And there's the Mercedes. It's an automatic as well. The cars don't end. I think you have seen this car in GTA San Andreas, the Bobcat. It's not a Bobcat, but this is a Porsche. I think it's the oldest version of 911. I think so. I think it's the 911. Look at this. Cosworth. It's a stick as well. This is the car that I saw way back over there when I was fishing. So this is when I understood that there's what's this? Cuda? What's a Cuda? When I'm so excited, you know, but I have to walk back home. That's the worst part. Sheesh. That's the Dodge, and they have the engine open. Crazy. That's like a very old engine. It's, I think, from the late 80s, sorry, 60s, 70s. This is a Dodge. This is a Chevrolet. This is the car that you know, in the movie, the animated movie, the Cars. I think the Hornet, Hudson Hornet, it's the same car but a different color. That's a Cadillac. This is a very beautiful car, man. It's a Cadillac. So beauties, beauties, beauties everywhere. This one's, I think, Dustin. Is it a manual? Yeah, it's a manual. 300ZX. This is the Nissan. I don't know which one it is. It's the Nissan Z350. Ah, look at this beautiful baby. Shit. The video is going to be way too long, guys. I like the way they cruise, you know. So I saw I told you there were bikes, right? So I even met them, but I could not record anything. So yeah, next time, definitely. That's a Nissan GTR as well. That's a R35. I think that guy is also going over there. So yeah, I really wish I could stay there longer, but I have some plans tomorrow, so I need to, you know, get ready for that. So this was the car that I saw. Oh, he's with his kid. There's a small boy in that car. So yeah, guys, I'll see you once I reach home. So I'm going to end the video right now because I don't have charge in the GoPro. So I'll take some photos with my phone, and then yeah, I'll definitely ask the guys, because this is organized by Bahrain Motor Club. So definitely I'll ask them if they are going to do more meetups in the future, or they do it like every I don't know what day is it today. It's Friday, so I don't know if they do it on weekends. So yeah, definitely I'll ask them first and then I'll close the video now. So I'll see you guys back once I reach home. Man, I love that GTR. So I asked them, and yeah, it's going to be every Friday, so I will definitely visit the next Fridays. So welcome back again, guys. I hope you like the cars, and I also asked them if they do car meetup every week or every month. So they are doing it every week. Every Friday they are doing car meets at different locations. So definitely next Friday I will go to their car meet and do a video about car meets. So now I'm going to go back home. I'm going to meet the guy whom Abu Ahmad. I'll meet him and talk about tomorrow. So let's see what happens. So right now I am near Bahrain Pride. I am here to meet Abu Ahmad. That's whom is going to take me tomorrow. So I just wanted to meet him before, you know, if there's any update that there's, if he has cancelled for me or he's taking me, I don't know. I've not contacted him, so let's see. So guys, it was a really tiring day. My legs are paining like I did a marathon. And yeah, I loved the car meet. I loved fishing, but I did not catch any fish at all. But it's okay. And also Mr. Abu Ahmad, he's not picking up my call, so I think most probably tomorrow I'm not going to be going to the sea. I was pretty excited, but I'll definitely visit that man and tell him that he lied to me. He lied to every one of you. So that definitely next time we can go with him. So yeah, so next Friday I'm gonna go to the car meet that they'll have. So hopefully they upload it. I've already followed their page. I hope that they you know, put a story in English instead of Arabic. So yeah guys, that was all for today, and I think I'm gonna wrap up the video now. I've said it like a couple of times before in the video. Maybe I'm not gonna put it, but I've said it like 3-4 times. I've already said that I'm going to wrap up, but yeah, this is going to be the final wrap up. And please subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please share, please like, and please do comment. I'm always reading the comment section, and you know, it gives me so much of motivation to do videos. Today I was feeling so lazy. Then, you know, I thought that people are watching, even if many people are ignoring it, but some people are watching. I'll do it for them. So yeah, I'm doing it all for you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. I can see that people are watching but yet not subscribing, so please subscribe, like, and comment, and please share. Please share. You want to say something? Up. Betty, up, up. Betty, up. You see? Come, come. Ah. Namaste, Gordo. Namaste. Namaste. Okay. So they just said bye to you. So I'm gonna wrap up the video now. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and whatever else you can do. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video, guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.